Hey friends, I'm kicking off day one of hashtag ABC April 2025, and here's the journal I'll be using this month. I made it from recycled packaging, and it's already full of grungy and spring vibe goodness. So today's prompt is A, and I chose A for acetate and antique. And this is what I created, a little shaker tag with a map and embellishment with, I also put a little butterfly charm and a sweet antique E at the bottom here. Love how this turned out. So if you're playing along or crafting your own version of this prompt, tag me or leave a comment. I'd love to see what you create. So now let's jump into how I made this piece, and then we'll glue it into the journal together. Now let's jump into how I made this piece, and then we'll glue it into the journal together. I took this die cut and I cut four, I think three or four of these, and this rim here detaches. And what I did is I first cut the circle, which is the base. I used a larger circle, and then I cut two of these, okay? And what I focused on is the rim. So I put the map inside, then I put two rims, I stacked them on top of each other. Then I cut another circle and rim from this creamish cardstock, and then I affixed. But before I laid the acetate, of course, I added the bedazzles and the rocks. If you've been around for over 15, 20 years, you'll know what I'm talking about. I don't know if they sell those anymore. But then what I did is I added a whale tail punch right here, tab, and then I added the antique key. And now we're going to glue this into our page like so. And I'm not going to glue the entire page because I might create something else and put it as a little tuck spot. And we're going to do this like so. And there you have it. Is that not so cool and pretty? The antique key on the side, the acetate, and there you have it. So thanks for your time, and I look forward to pump number two. See you then.